Let us see the solutions of this quadratic equation by factorization method. When using factorization method, you have to take x square coefficient. What is x square coefficient? 2. What is the constant? 3. So take x square coefficient constant, multiply these 2. X square coefficient 2, constant 3. 2 into 3, 6. Select two factors of 6. Okay, now that sum should be x coefficient. Okay, select two factors of 6. That factors sum should be minus 5. What are the factors of 6? 2 3 is a 6, 6 1 is a 6, minus 2 into minus 3. You can take the symbols. Minus into minus plus 6. So if you add these 2 plus 3, if you add these 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. Here minus 2 plus of minus 3, minus 5. So which is tally with x coefficient? Minus 5. Minus 5 is tallying with third one. So these are the factors. So multiply x square coefficient constant. 2 3 is a 6. Select two factors of 6. That factor sum should be x coefficient. Here these are three factors, three ways of factors. In these three ways, the last one factor sum is minus 5. That is tally with the minus x coefficient. So select factors of that product value. The factor sum should be x coefficient. Okay. Now this minus 5x, minus 5 nothing but minus 5x can be written as minus 2x minus 3x. Are you getting? So 2x square minus 5x can be written as minus 2x, minus 5x can be written as minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Are you getting? See, now in these first two terms, what is the common factor? First is the number 2. 2 is a common factor. Here x square x. 1x is a common factor. X square is nothing but x into x. Here 1x is there. So 2 and 1x. 2x is common factor. So 2x is taking common from these two terms. So 2x taking common. What is the remaining? 2 take common factor. 1x common factor. Remaining is 1x. Are you getting? Again if you multiply 2x into x, 2x square. Here 2x remaining. X is also common factor. There is no other factor. That means 1 is a factor of every number, every term. So 2x is a common factor. There is no other means here 1. So 1 is a common factor. Are you getting? 2x taking common, there is no means. Here 1 is a factor. Next, see, whenever you come to our last two terms, here minus, here plus. Whenever like this is there, here minus plus, you have to take the first term symbol minus taking common. What is a common term? Here 3. 3 is a common term. So take minus 3 common. Are you observing? So by taking minus 3 common, what is the remaining factor? X. You have to tally with this. What you are taking common here, the term should be here and here same. If you take minus 3 common, you can get x here. If you take 3 common, minus x you can get. But here x is there. So in these two terms, whatever the symbol here it is, take that symbol common. So minus 3 taking common, here x. Whenever the symbol minus is taking common, plus becomes minus. Okay now? Minus taking common, the symbol plus becomes minus. Here 3. What is the another factor means? 3. 3 taking means 3 ones are 3. Are you getting? 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 taking common, there is no means. 3 into 1. 3 can be written as 3 into 1. So 3 taking common means here 1. Now these two, again these two should be same. If you are not getting these two same, you are getting wrong. So again x minus 1, take x minus 1 common. What is here? 2x. What is here? Minus 3 equal to 0. So this, if you take this product of these two numbers is 0. Can you say any two numbers that product is 0? Tell me. You can take any two numbers that product should be 0. If I take 2 and minus 6, 2 into minus 6 is 0? No. If you take minus 50, I am taking 0. Minus 50 into 0, 0. So in the product of two numbers is 0, then any one of these two numbers is 0. So this two product is 0 means either x minus 1 equals 0 or 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 equal 0. That means x minus 1 equals 0. Take minus 1 right side. We are finding x values. So take minus 1 transposes to right side. X equal to 0 minus 1 transpose to right side, minus becomes plus 1. So that is x equals 0 plus 1 is 1. Now take this minus 3 right side, transpose minus 3 right side, 2x equal to 0 minus 3 transpose right side plus 3. So that is 0 plus 3 is 3. We need to find x. So take 2 also right side. So here 2 is multiplying. 2 transpose the right side, that divides. So 3 by 2. So here x equal to 1 or x equal to 3 by 2. These two are solutions of the quadratic equation. Okay, x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 by 2 are the solutions of the quadratic equation. You can check these two are correct answers or not by substitution method. Let us see how to check these are the correct solutions by substitution method. After getting the answer, if you have doubt, substitute these x values in this quadratic equation, then you have to get 0. Okay, let us see how to verify given values are solutions or not. Now let us substitute x equal to 1 here. In the place of x, substitute 1. Replace x by 1. 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3 equals 0. So 2 into 1 square is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 5 on the 5 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 5 equals 0. 5 minus 5, 0 equals 0. So x equal 1 satisfies. If you get 0 equals 0, that means this x equal 1 satisfies. That x equal 1 is the correct answer. Let us check another one, x equal to 3 by 2. So let us substitute x equal to 3 by 2. Substitute here 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole square, 3 square 9, 2 square 4 minus here 5 3 is a 15 by 2 plus 3. Okay, so here we can cancel. Okay, cancellation. Numerator denominator have same or common factors. We can cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. Taking LCM 2, 2, 1. That is LCM 2. So numerator is 9 minus 15. 2 ones are 2. Here 1 LCM is 2, but here 1. Here also you have to get 2. And that means you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So denominator 1 multiply with 2. 2 ones are 2. Numerator also you can multiply 2. 2 threes are 6. So 9 plus 6, 15 minus 15 by 2 equal 0. 15 minus 15, 0 by 2 equal 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 equal 0. So these two values are satisfied. So these are the correct solutions. See this quadratic equation, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals 0. Now if you see, this is not in the standard form. First let us convert into standard form. Here why? Because last constant term is 1 by 8. If you convert into standard form, this is in the standard form, but the constant is not a integer. So let us take the LCM. What is the constant here? 1 by 8. 8 is the denominator. Take LCM 8. It is easy to find. 8 2 is 16. 8 here x means coefficient 1. 1 into 8, 8. 8x plus 1 equals 0. So take this denominator right side. Denominator goes to right side, that multiplies. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal 0 into 8, 0. Okay. Now let us go for the factorization method. What is the first step? First step is x square coefficient, constant. What is x square coefficient? 16. Constant 1, multiply. 16 ones are 16 ones are 16. So select two factors of 16. That sum should be minus 8. What are the factors of 16? 2 8s are 16. Okay now. Next 4 4s are 16. And minus 4 into minus 4 also 16. And 1 into 16. Is there any other factors? So whenever the minus symbol is there, you have to check by taking both are minus. Okay now. By multiplying minus into minus, you can get plus. By adding minus 4, you can get minus 8. That is a trick. When it is minus, you have to take for the everyone think in the positive way. By taking positive numbers. If you may or may not take negative. But it is minus, so you have to take like this minus. Now add 2 plus 8, 10. But what is there? Minus 8. We have to get minus 8. 4 plus 4, 8. But what is there? Minus 8. Minus 4, minus 8. So these are the factors. Minus 4 equal minus 8. So let us write 16x square minus 8x, we can write minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, are you getting? 16. Here, what is the common factor for these two terms? 16 can be written as 4 4s. Here 4 is there. So write 16 as 4 into 4. So 4 is common factor. X square x is common factor. Now, if you have doubt, divide. 16 goes in 4 table. 4 4s. 1x remaining, 1x. Here 4x remaining, I said there is nothing is there means 1 is a common factor. 4x taking common means remaining 4x into 1. Now here minus 4x plus 1. Here 1 is there means only 1 is the common factor. I said here minus here plus, take minus 1 common. Take minus 1 common. By taking minus 1 common, 1 is a factor of every term. So minus 1 taking common, this minus 4x becomes plus 4x. Symbols will be changes. Plus 4x. Plus becomes minus. 1 ones are 1. So again take 4x minus 1 common. What is there here? 4x minus 1 equals 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equals 0. That is 4x equal to 1. That is minus 1 transposes to right side. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 4 multiplies, it goes to right side, divides. 1 by 4. These two are same. If you solve here also, you can get x equal to 1 by 4. You can observe here what you are getting the solutions. Here x equal 1 by 4, x equal to 1 by 4. The solutions are equal. In the before problem we have different solutions. In this problem we have same solution. So quadratic equation have solutions maybe equal or different. Okay. So let us take here 3 into here x minus 4 whole square. So expand like a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, a square, x square minus 2ab, 2 into a, x into b, 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square. B square is 4 square. Minus, multiply with 5. Minus 5 into x, 5x. Minus into minus, plus. 5 4s are 20. Take 12 left side, minus 12. Plus 12 becomes minus 12. So now multiply with 3. 3 into x square, 3x square. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. X. Okay na? 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. X. Plus 4 square. 4 square value 16. 4 square equals 16. 16 3s are 48. Minus 5x. 20 minus 12. 8. Equal to 0. So 3x square. Whenever you are simplifying like this, the first term should be x square, second term should be x, next last term should be constant. Let us simplify x terms, like terms. Where are the x terms? Minus 24x, minus 5x. Both are same symbol. Write that symbol. Add 24 plus 5, 29x. 48 plus 8, 56. Equal to 0. Now here, this is the quadratic equation. Now let us go for the factorization. It is not in the standard form. Given problem is not in the direct standard form. We are converting into quadratic by simplifying. Now let us find the solution by factorization method. In the factorization method, what is the first step? Take x square coefficient 3. Constant 56. 3 into 56. 350 is a 150. 3 6 is a 18. 150 plus 18, 168. If you are getting large numbers like this, you may not find direct two products. So you split this 56. 56 can split as 7 into 8. 7 8 is 56. Now you can product again, reproduct. Yeah, what you are getting, you have to write this 168 as a select two factors of 168. So write 168 as a product of two numbers. The two numbers sum should be minus 29. Here 29. So here let us multiply. 3 7s are 21 into 8. 21 plus 8, 29. What is minus is there? So take minus 21 minus 8. So minus 21 minus 8 equal to minus 29. Are you getting? If you are getting large numbers like this, you do again split. Again write as a two numbers product. Check this two numbers sum is 29 or not. So let us write here 3x square minus 21x minus 8x plus 56. So here take 3x common. 3 is a common factor. 3 1s are 3 7s are. So take 3x common. X remaining minus 3 7s are 21. In 3 tables 21. 3 7s are. Here 8 common factor. 8 1s are 8 7s are. Okay. So take whenever your minus plus is there, take minus common. Take minus 8 common. Remaining x minus taking common plus becomes minus 8 7s are 56. So take x minus 7 common. What is here? 3x minus 8 equals 0. So that is x minus 7 equals 0 and 3x minus 8 equals 0. So take transpose minus 7 right side. 0 plus 7, x equal to 7. Transpose minus 8 right side. 3x equals 0 plus 8. So 3x equal to 8. Here transpose 3 right side. 3 is multiplying. Transpose right side divides. 8 by 3. These are the two solutions. X equals 7, x equal to 8 by 3. So do these problems. The next class, let us find the solutions of this problem. These are called word problems. So finding solutions by converting into quadratic form. These are the application problems of quadratic equations. So by assuming any one is a variable x forming quadratic equation, we can find solutions. Let us see these problems in the later. If you want to do, you can try and you can solve these problems.